this is Gail with Gail's Southern Living. How to make your own banana fertilizer with banana peels. Wash the outside of your banana peels to remove the pesticides. Cut into 1-inch pieces. Cover and refrigerate for 2 to 3 days and water your plants with it. This contains potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Potassium is essential for nutrient plant growth, flowering, and fruiting. Calcium is good to prevent blossom end rot in tomatoes. It helps with the growth of tomatoes, peppers, pumpkins, squash, and cucumbers. Magnesium is good for plant growth and plant development. Banana peels help with soil structure and water retention. This is a really easy, natural thing that you can do at your house. It doesn't cost you any money at all. And it has lots of good purposes. You can use the banana peels to make a tea, a fertilizer, bury it by the roots, or throw it in your compost bin. You can make a dried banana fertilizer, which is a slow release fertilizer. Haven't tried that yet, but I want to. Bury the banana peels around the soil of your plants. And here are the uses for the banana fertilizer. Fertilizer spray, bury them, chop them, banana tea, and fermentation. Helps also with fruit trees, berry bushes, and roses. Be careful not to over-fertilize your plants. And also be careful to wash the outside of your banana peels because everything we eat is sprayed with pesticides. So we want to remove that, and we don't want to be watering our plants with it. So bananas have lots and lots of great uses. I hope you guys will give this a try. And the Survival Seeds giveaway is April 27th at 5:15. Comment on this video and others for your chance to win on the next giveaway. Thank you, BC Family Homestead, Bushcraft Family, and Lazy Days Ahead for doing Survival Seeds 2025. You guys have a great day. Be blessed. Do something kind, guys. Bye, everybody.